going on, homies and homies? Today we're going to be unboxing the brand new Razer Viper V2 Pro. The past year or two, I've been using the glorious Model D, and it's been known as a very good mouse for gaming, for everything. Very comfortable fit, very light. It's about 69 grams. The Razer Viper V2 is officially known as the best gaming mouse of 2023. There is the V3, but for some reason this one still ranks over. So what I'm gonna do is unbox it. I'll test it out for you guys. So let's unbox this and let's check what we're working with. Ooh, clean cut. Look at that. That's just art. That's just art, really. I got two things in here. Got a little charging dock for my stuff. It's just this box right here. Little AirPods, Apple Watch thing, whatever. And then the piece we're most excited for. The Razer Viper V2 Pro. So I got it in white to keep the aesthetic going, but this is absolutely insane. It's only 59 grams, 10 grams lighter than my previous one. The charge on this is somewhere between 70 to 90 hours, which I'm very hyped for because I want to get rid of all the clutter, or as much as I can. So having a wireless mouse, even though you have to charge, is much better in my opinion. When you get off at night, put it to charge and you should be fine. Aside from that, you have Razer's optical mouse switch technology. You have the mouse grip tape. Let's check it out. Karambit, always fun and safe, you know? Moment of truth. Shee, look at that. That looks beautiful. I'm so hyped. Ooh. Honestly, they're both very light. They're both very light. I used to use a Razer Death Adder, and that one's heavy. But this is ridiculous. This doesn't feel like there's anything here. You got this, you got the little pad that it was on. Got another box in here, we'll check out what that is. And then finally, you have the actual charging piece, I think. So there's a piece to charge it in here. Well, we'll check everything out. I used to be a really big Razer user. I had the whole Death Adder, Black Widow keyboard, Firefly. Actually, I still have Razer stickers on my mini fridge, but yeah, I used to have the whole build. So, okay, so interesting enough, it is a wireless mouse, but you could plug this cable in directly and make it wired. So if that's really your issue, then you could also make it wired. So for those of you worried that you might get some input lag or whatever it might be, I'd say you have both options with this. Over here, the grips on these feel really good. Got two buttons on the side. Oh my god. You know what? It's a lower mouse feel compared to the Glorious. And I think I like that more. We're gonna see how this translates into game, but anyway, we have that. You could either just plug this piece directly into the PC, or you could put this piece, let's say, a bit closer to have a little bit of a better connection and plug into the back of this. Now this is all using USB-C cables. It's really easy, and I like that it's white, gonna go nice with it. But yeah, so I could run it from the back of the PC, let's say the front somewhere here, and have that, or I could just keep it on the PC as well. So anyway, let's get this set up and let's give it a try. I find this kind of wild, but I just plugged the mouse in and automatically the Razer software detected it. Now I haven't used a Razer product in a long time. I got this notif right away. So okay, so this automatically popped up. So I don't have any of these installed. So it tells me to install Synapse. Cortex looks interesting. I'll check that out as well. If you guys want to see a full setup tour video, let me know, because I've been working on my setup for a little while now. So let's do a quick tour of Synapse since I don't know how to use it. Quick access to all your favorite devices. At the moment I only have one. Complete control. Get started. Cool. So Razer Viper. We see that I'm at 32%, so it's definitely gonna have to charge it soon. With Razer Hypershift, you can assign additional function to the same button or key without interfering with its default input. Your Razer mouse delivers immensely accurate tracking straight out of the box. To experience another level of precision, set a tracking distance and use asymmetric cutoff to dynamically adjust its liftoff and landing distance across every surface. Well, I mean, I don't know. I feel like this is okay. Okay, I see it at the top now. Cool. Before I get into some aim labs, I just want you to know I just woke up and there is no warm up before this. So what you're about to see is really just how easy this mouse is to use, because I haven't played in the past few days and I'm telling you that this mouse is a cheat code. It's so good. All right, I've been using this Razer Viper V2 for about a week now, and
there are so many things I love about it. Obviously, how light it is a joke. Like, you could not find, I refuse to believe that this does something, bro. It's so light. It's like, it's comparable with paper. On that note, my gameplay in every game, the finals, Apex, CS2, Fortnite, COD, everything got better. I've been able to play at an all-time high. Aim labs has been pretty fun. And the other thing is finding your sensitivity. So since it is a slightly lighter mouse, I upped the sensitivity by a little 0.5, and it was something that was really phenomenal. Yo, talking while doing this is something new to me, by the way, but typically when I'm doing aim labs, I'm locked in. But anyway, it's a mouse that has really precise accuracy. The movement feels great. Honestly, I only have good things to say about this. So I really recommend you guys give this mouse a try. If you guys want me to review any other mice or anything like that, let me know and I could do that. Maybe I'll do one for the Glorious Model D after using it for a year. And yeah, I haven't really thought about making tech videos, but I would love that. So if that's something that interests you guys, let me know and I'll get right to it. With that being said, let's lock in for this next 30 seconds here and see what we get. Few undershots. Maybe I should up my sensitivity a little bit. I highly recommend you guys do some aim trainers, by the way, if you're playing FPS games, for sure. All right, we got a 86% accuracy. To summarize my week of using the Razer Viper V2, this is a mouse I recommend for everybody that wants to take gaming relatively seriously. If you guys want to be a better gamer, I really recommend it. I think they did a great job with the mouse grip on this. It moves perfectly. The tracking, the everything is phenomenal. The mouse click, the timing. I think this is easily the best mouse I've used up to date, and I've been gaming since 2006. So I really recommend you guys try this out. I'll leave a link down to it in the description down below. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.